The number one skill every private label Amazon seller should master in 2025 is product research. In today's video, I'm going to show you how Trendster, a feature in Helium 10, can help you analyze and assess trending products. But first of all, let's talk about why a data-driven approach to product research and launching a product based on research rather than a let's launch it and find out type of approach is the right approach. If you haven't heard about Helium 10 before, Helium 10 is arguably one of the best tools for Amazon sellers in 2025. Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. If you are a loyal subscriber to the channel, then you already know we are a certified partner for Amazon and we focus on Amazon UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. Now, I do have a great downloadable free PDF file for you, which you will find in the description box of this video, that contains actual trending products that you can sell right now in 2025. Make sure that you download it right now. And if you're looking for help and support with things like product research, advertising management, then make sure that you reach out to us on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org, book a call with the team, and explore the opportunity of working with us. Now, what is the purpose of doing product research and what are the benefits? Quite simply, the purpose of doing product research is just finding profitable products while avoiding ones that aren't. The benefits would be saving time, providing data that is fast, especially if you utilize a tool like Helium 10, prioritizing your efforts into things that actually get you money and not things that waste your time, and helps you pre-qualify deals as well. If you are not currently a Helium 10 user, and if you think that this could be a tool that is valuable for you, you will also find in the description box of this video a 20% discount that Helium 10 has given us to give you. It's going to be a saving value of around $120. So I would suggest that you utilize our discount code and our link in the description box of the video. Data-driven product research. First of all, according to a study by Jungle Scout, 80% of Amazon FBA success is dependent on the product that you sell. Second, product research will actually minimize risk because it will help you avoid saturated markets and ensure that you are selling a long-term sustainable product rather than a trending product. Unless you want to sell a trending product, then that would be different. But if you want to make sure that you're selling evergreen long-term products, you need to also do market research, as well as making sure that you launch the right product. The right product meaning that it has high demand and a healthy profit margin. One thing that you need to do in 2025, specifically if you are a private label seller, is you need to be mastering product research. Because product research can help you find untapped products based on real-time data. Not only that, you can validate trends before you invest in them rather than the other way around. And also you can avoid restricted seasonal or high-risk products. With data, you can validate how to move forward. There are a lot of features inside of Helium 10. For today's video, I'm going to actually be utilizing a feature under product research called Trendster. By the way, we have a lot of videos about the other features or tools. I will leave all of them linked in the description box of this video. So here we want to analyze the demand for this specific product. I've added the ASIN and I've added the main keyword. Trendster helps me assess the sales of this particular product and also helps me identify the demand for this product utilizing Google Trends. I'm looking at the sales for the past 30 days and you can see three main data points here. I can see the list price, the new price, meaning if it was discounted, and the price of this product is ridiculously low. It's just 11 dirhams. And what is the sales rank? The sales rank means the BSR or the best selling rank. I want to remind you that the lower the sales rank, the higher the amount of sales. So the lower the sales rank, basically the better. I can look at the details 30 days ago, like for the past 90 days, 1 year, and all time. Let's make it a little bit bigger and let's look at the last 90 days. Let's actually also look at the 1 year in order to try to assess if there is demand, like a certain seasonal demand for this product. I can look and see what is currently happening, and mostly assessing based on the sales rank. As you will notice, as we come into the summer months, as you will notice, well, at least based on Google Trends, as we come into the winter months in the UAE, this is a shovel mostly used for camping. I'm not sure about the snow. I'm not sure there's snow in Dubai, but who knows? So we can also see in Google, when we come into the winter months, where camping and outdoors stuff tend to happen a little bit more, we see a spike in search, and we also see a little bit more sales than normal on Amazon. Now, that's just to show us any details regarding trending, but we can also go to the actual page itself of the product. As you can see, it's currently being sold at 11 dirhams. I'm filming this during Eid discounts on Amazon. The product is normally 15 dirhams and now it's 11. It's very, very cheap. With that being said, because I have Helium 10 downloaded in my Chrome extension, I'm able to see how many units have been sold for the past month. I can see all like important data. I can even click on the sales right here and I can see the same thing, but in a different format. I can also look at the past 90 days. As you can see, I can see the trend line. Is there like an increase in demand? Which there is. What about the sales? They're a little bit all over the place, up and down a little bit. And I can look at the 7-day moving average as well, just to try to assess. They are selling, even with this low price, they're selling about 2 to 3 units per day, and sometimes increasing. Starting February, they started increasing about 4, 3, 2, well, on average, it's between 2 to 4 units per day. All of this information is not something that you can assess as a seller, and you have no visibility to this knowledge and information as a regular seller unless you have a tool that can scrape the data and give you some sort of estimation. Let me know, have you launched products based on data research, and was it successful for you? Make sure that you leave me your comments and your questions in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.